Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by switching Steam Deck into Windows and signing in as an admin. Once done, attach a USB-C hub or open Bluetooth and pair your keyboard. Wired is faster for first use. Make sure you install the official Steam Deck driver package so Windows recognizes USB ports and input devices. This prevents missing keys or lag. After drivers install, restart Windows. Then move to configuring layout and input settings so keys map correctly for gaming and desktop tasks. You now configure how the keyboard behaves in Windows. First, set the correct keyboard layout under time and language so punctuation and modifiers match your physical keys. This avoids swapped characters. Next, open Device Manager and confirm the keyboard driver shows correctly. Update it if Windows flags an issue. Then tweak repeat rate and delay in Control Panel, right arrow keyboard to make typing, and in-game inputs responsive. If you plan to remap keys, keep Power Toys or your preferred remapper ready for the next step. You finish by testing the keyboard in Notepad and inside a game to verify modifiers and special keys work. Once verified, use Power Toys or Steam Input to remap keys and save game-specific profiles. This lets you swap functions quickly. If keys behave oddly, make sure Steam Input isn't intercepting desktop input, then reconnect the hub or repair the keyboard. As a final troubleshooting tip, reinstall the Steam Deck Windows driver package and reboot. This resolves most USB/Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.